Oh! What the?
Hey my Shay Bays, y'all, welcome back to another video. And by the title, you already know what type of video this is. And if you are new, y'all, make sure you click the video, subscribe to my channel. Y'all, I just put up at my house and I'm finna prank my dad. I'm finna tell him I need to get my car washed. Ask him can he come with me to get my car washed and vacuumed out. Which I'm finna, y'all already know. By the title, baby, I'm finna get him, baby, with this water and this car wash. So y'all, I'm doing this for y'all. If I get cussed out, I just get cussed out because my dad don't be playing. But anyways, make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and run this video up. I'll be back. Yeah, we might change the plans. I might just like get him some food and put something in it. I don't know, but hold on, y'all.
The Mustang, all right.
Is that car over there?
Shit, let me look at.
I can't see because y'all in the way.
It's gonna take me all the way. I gotta put my valve coat back on, man.
You put it on tomorrow. You gotta do.
Oh Lord. You can go to Popeye.
We're gonna do it right here, but still the challenge.
You can go to Popeye. No, I ain't doing that shit.
Yeah. You gotta run, Dad.
I can't do that shit. Okay, run. I need to go and buy some more. What's that right there in Walgreens, man? Come on, take me over there.
I'm not going over there.
I got some vitamins. Some sea moss. Shit. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm going too fast.
Why are you finna go to a car wash, man?
You're not gonna wash my car.
Oh,
I got a
Lord.
car wash. Oh, baby, I'm definitely getting that. Woo wee. Wait. I need to ask him about that because you ain't watched. I think I can go this way. Can I?
How many people in work here?
Hey.
You got a membership?
Mm-mm.
You want to get one for $10?
You can wash my car?
It lasts a month.
No, I'm okay. They got that $1,000 car wash?
Yeah, but that ain't nothing but a rinse.
Oh, rinse.
Yeah.
Then pressing one of the service buttons. Please select a car wash.
The one
by
you
pressing
want?
one of the service buttons on the screen.
Hold on some up so you can see them.
I want the which one should I get? I want the
Pro.
The Pro.
To complete your purchase,
me see.
please insert your card. Fully insert your card with the magnetic strip on, and then remove your card.
Thank you.
Alright, you all good.
Okay. I don't know how I do this. I ain't never been through
You
a
are
car
now
wash
ready to
before.
enter the car wash.
Woo! I'm scared. I ain't never been through a car wash before.
Boy, finna do everything, boy.
I should have got basic.
Man, I'm finna sit in this song for 30 minutes.
It's not about 30 minutes.
Alright,
What I gotta do?
alright.
I put the car in neutral, right?
Neutral for what?
He say put the car in
They
neutral when you
think
get up
finna tell
here.
you to do everything finna tell you to do. Shoot.
I'm scared. Oh. Oh God. Look at him. Look at me backing in it, getting in it good, baby. He ain't have to direct me.
Lord, have mercy.
Okay. Woo! I can't wait till it light up. You know I'm ready for it. I'm ready. Yeah, it's my first time being through a car wash. Oh,
What are you doing?
It moved. It moved.
You doing it yourself?
No. I'm so scared.
He didn't tell you put the car in neutral.
Yeah, he did. See, it's in neutral.
I said he told you put it in neutral.
Ooh. Why like it ain't going? Oh yeah, y'all it finna change color. I went through here with my friend, y'all. It finna change color. What? Ooh.
Make my belly hurt. Oh.
This ain't nothing.
What the fuck? out of here, get me up! Get me out of here! Don't get my foot up, girl! God damn! Oh, you know better than this shit! Oh, have mercy. I believe you're already doing something trying to make a God! Shoot. Gonna take me to the hospital too. God damn.
What's that? What we finna go through now?
You gotta rinse this shit off. Damn, man. Alright, mess it up. Mess it up. Mess it up. Just put that shit that you let the car up, bro. You messing the car up, you know that. Alright, you messing that thing up, that's all you doing. But you let me fix shit. I ain't fixing the goddamn thing. So you ready not doing crazy ass shit. Why you take me on to the house? Take me on to the house. Let me out! Don't you do that! That thing messed up! That thing messed it up! Oh, you messed it up! Oh, you messed it up! Oh, you messed it up! Oh, look at that! Look at that! You messed it up! I never know what you did. I never know what you did. You done messed this shit up.
That been broke. Look at my camera.
For real.
Woo!
You're proof, man. God damn.
Yeah. Woo! Yes. Breathe.
Nigga, oh my Lord, how much?
Oh, baby.
Let me down my
I gotta take my car out.
Man, Lord, it's too hot to come car, huh?
My car nasty. You get a free vacuum.
I gotta get home, man.
Oh, wait, baby. They laughing at us. I think they know.
Boy, this shit almost.
Look at my car.
Yeah, fuck this shit. Don't make no damn shit. I bet you one thing, it ain't gonna have no more. Bet you did.
Yeah.
Man, don't be good at that.
Yeah. Look, y'all.
You come bother me with that temper.
Y'all, tell me my light broke. He gotta fix it now. He said he wanna go fix and look at him fix
So,
it.
man, so fed that shit out. You wait.
Now look at
That's all I can do is get shit out.
look at his clothes, y'all.
Crazy, doing crazy stuff. Come on, I gotta go now.
You back in my car for me? You, please.
Try to back up
Ooh,
the
that's a
ball.
good
Make
one.
it go like this.
That's a good one. Come on, Dad. Help me, please. Y'all, look at my car. That's wet. You can't find his phone. My car's so wet.
My phone,
Turn my car off, Dad.
Gee, you turn all the air blowing. Turn that thing off.
I ain't got no. You want to put some gas in here, baby?
Phone. I'm gonna get my phone.
I ain't got your phone for real. Hey y'all, y'all see who's driving now. But anyways, y'all, make sure y'all, I hope y'all like that video. I hope y'all like that video. Make sure y'all like and comment, subscribe. But yeah. I cleaned my car out. It look good too. It look good, y'all. Somebody's still a little wet. That is a big bump.
Bump well. Bump my goddamn face.
You gotta turn around right there.
Bump my face.
But yeah, y'all, so bye.